Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice typing in Google Docs so you can create a document effortlessly by speaking. Voice typing is a convenient and efficient way to type documents, especially if you prefer to speak instead of type or if you have difficulty typing due to a physical disability. Before you can use voice typing in Google Docs, you will need a computer with a microphone and an internet connection. If you have these requirements already, let's get into the step-by-step process to activate voice typing on Google Docs. First, open the browser and then open the document you want to type in. And then click on the Tools menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Voice Typing. A small microphone icon will appear on the left or on the right side of the screen. Voice typing is available in more than 40 languages, so you can use it to type in a variety of languages. Select your preferred languages or dialects. After that, click on the microphone icon to start voice typing. A pop-up window will appear asking for permission to access the device microphone. Click Allow. Once the microphone is activated, you can start speaking and the document will show the transcribed words. To stop the voice typing, simply click the microphone icon again or press the Escape key on your keyboard. By the way, you can also use the voice commands such as period or comma to control the formatting of your text. Honestly, voice typing is not always accurate, so manual intervention is often necessary. After all, voice typing is just a supplementary tool. It's not going to fully replace your keyboard anytime soon. Anyway, I hope this video helps you, and if it does, please consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.